over the Lottie Creator app. This is the first screen you see when you start the app. Without going into too much detail, we're gonna start creating right away. So we're gonna start the app. And this is the first screen you see when the app starts. It shows you examples of what the app can do. And you can see on top, you got 3D shapes. You got stamps on the right side of the screen. You got fixed animation, geometrical shapes at the bottom left, and path animation on the bottom right. So we're gonna pick one of those and reproduce it so that you can see how it's done. Let's pick the fixed animation first. Once you touch the screen, this whole animation disappears. So touch the screen, and then we're gonna pick a stamp, and we're gonna go find the sun, so we can place it on the screen, and we say sun, find it, so you can see the sun right there. We click it, we place it in the middle. It's kind of too small, so let's just undo and open the thickness gauge, and you go to, let's make it around 50, around 40. Yeah, that's good enough. So we go back again, planet sun, we place it. So you can see there's a marquee around it. Marquee is like this shaded box. You can drag it, you can make it bigger, you can rotate it, and so on. So that's the purpose of the marquee. Anyway, so click anywhere on the screen to get rid of it. The sun is there. We're gonna make it rotate. Well, we'll do animation, and we'll go to rotation. And this is not 3D. This is just simply a stamp or a picture. So we click on rotate, and we'll make it rotate. So that's the first step. Next step is we're gonna bring Earth. So let's go back to tools, and we're gonna go pick animation, and we search for Earth and find it. And there's two of them, you just pick one of them. We just get the bigger one. And then what we'll do is, since Earth is smaller than the sun, we'll make it smaller. Right now, sun is at 40, and we just say, okay, let's go to around 20. So half of it. And let's make it a little bit away from it. So you can see the Earth is there. And since we have a moon rotating around the Earth, might as well just get the moon. So we go again there, and we search for the moon. And we'll find it. And here it is. We click it. Again, moon is smaller, so we'll shrink it even more. Let's go to, I don't know, maybe 10. We'll place the moon there. Now, what we want to do is we want to make the moon rotate around Earth, and Earth rotate around the sun. So in order to make the moon rotate around Earth, we're gonna link them. So it's a parent-child relationship. So we go to animation, and we go to top of the animation, and there's a link stamps. So we're gonna link the moon. Click link. Now tap the child. The child is the moon. We click it. Then type. Now we selected the child. Now type the parent. The parent is the Earth. And now those two guys are linked. So Earth has one child. You can add more children if you wanted to. So let's make Earth rotate. Go to shape, animation. We're gonna go to rotate. And where is rotate? Might have skipped it. Pulse, rotate, create shape, rotate, right there. So we're gonna make Earth rotate, click it, and it rotates. So as you can see now, Earth rotating, the moon rotating around Earth, and we're gonna make Earth rotate around the sun. So what we'll do is we will establish fixed animation, so the Earth has a fixed radius that it rotates around the sun. And we'll go find fixed animation. It's still in the animations menu, and fixed animation is there. Now tap any shape or stamp to begin. So we're gonna make Earth. Object selected. Now tap the rotation center. Rotation center is going to be the center of the sun. Now we tap that one, and now that they're both linked, we're gonna make both. We're gonna establish the radius or rotation radius. rotation radius. Let's just pick the radius to be the same center of Earth. And you can see Earth rotating around the sun and the moon rotating around Earth. And since the animation is a little bit too fast, what we'll do is we'll slow it down. We'll go to menu, and we'll go to physics menu, and you can see now it's waiting for me to choose. And I will go straight into the speed, word speed, and we'll slow them down a little bit. Gonna go here, come back, and then establish fixed rotation again, because we stopped the rotation. And we go to fixed rotation again, click it, click it, click it again, and now they're rotating. And now you can see that this is how we create fixed animation. One more thing we could do is we can actually export this into a Lottie file. Lottie files are files that you can embed within your website or within a Microsoft Office document. So what we'll do is we create a Lottie file, and to do that we go to Tools, and we will say Export as a Lottie, and we'll export it as a Lottie. Yes, we're going to create a Lottie file. And it created a file in downloads directory called, actually, let's just go find it. It usually is the top because I sort my directories by date. So let's go get rid of the screen. Oh, one more thing you could do, you can save it. So animation, and let's go and save it. Save this animation. And we're gonna give it a file name, just say fixed space rotation. And save it. So this is available for you to use later in a different animation, but basically this is how you do fixed rotation and how you save it. So now we can get rid of it. We're gonna go to the quick menu and say clear screen, and the screen is created. And now let's go and load the animation that we just created. You can use any tools. You know, sometimes I use the different tools called JSON animator or so on. But my app, this particular app, actually loads the animation. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna load the animation. We're gonna go find the file. So the file is called fixed rotation. And actually this is the file I created, but we wanna look at the Lottie file. So Lottie file is in the download under Lottie's fixed rotation, and here it is, it's right there. So this is the animation that we just created, and we also created a JSON file that allows you to embed. You can actually see this file. Here's a different way to look at it. You can see a different application called JSON Play. JSON Play is a freeware that you can download, and you can see your animations that you created. And let's go open it. So we're gonna say find the file, and we're gonna go my files, fixed rotation, or here's the JSON file that we just loaded, and we're gonna say Lottie Creator, JSON, done, and you can see the file rotating. JSON doesn't do exactly justice to some of the animation, because you could see the moon is rotating around the fixed location. It is not really rotating around Earth. That's a problem within some of these applications, but that's how you do it. Another way you can do is actually go to a website, and there's a website called, let's just say, where is that website? Oh, well, we can do that later. For now, we're gonna stop it right